Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we are going to see about the process local tour planning, which is an Android application. Then comes the abstract of our process local tour planning. So the Android local tour planning project provides the tourist with a city map and their current location entered by the Android phone user. So here in this process we have the process about the city Madurai. So the app contains details about only the Madurai city. So this information helps a tourist to find the desired location to visit, and also it consists of the entire details of this location, but it provides the basic information to design the places to visit. By providing a geographic based information system, the tourist place people to visit new cities can get a better guidance of the places they want to visit. By making the application GPS based, it includes many advantages as the user can view the required location in map. So as I tell already, the process is only based on the Madurai city. So it contains the detail about the tourist places of the Madurai and the weather report of Madurai and the restaurants and hotels in the Madurai in the both languages, Tamil and also English. So the app provides language selection process whether in English, whether in or in Tamil. So the user can choose any one of the languages and proceed. So all details are available in the both Tamil and English languages. Then comes the flow diagram of the process local tour planning. Flow diagram shows the overall process diagrammatically. So here every user should enroll and log into the process. So before the enrolling process, the user should select their language, whether in English or Tamil. So all the details will be provided both in English and Tamil, except the my location, so which is in English, and also the weather status. So the weather status and the my location will only provided in English, but all other details will be provided both in English and Tamil. So enrollment and the login. So once the user logged in, their current location will be displayed, and then user can view the tourist places or food facilities or weather status, or they may give rating. So first tourist places is, for example, the tourist places in the Madurai are listed. Once they click the place name, so the place description like their information and the opening and closing time and the map location will be viewed. And food facilities, so in food facilities it displays three kinds of hotels with the address. So native taste, multi-cuisine restaurant and fast food. So which are all the hotels available in Madurai, all details will be available. Then weather status, so current weather status of your Madurai will be displayed. Then next is the rating. So rating is the user can give rating for the particular app using the rating 5 star. So these are all the process comes under the local tour planning. Then comes the running procedure of our process local tour planning. So this is the home page of our process. For that we have to just load the code in Android Studio and we have to run. So once the app is launched, the home page will automatically move to the next page. So this is the next page, home page. So here this is the language selection. So here we have to select in which language we are going to use our app, whether in English or in Tamil. So here we have to select the language. So first I am going to select the language as English. So this is the login page, and the existing users can log in using the username and password. The new user have to register. So the new user register. So you have to give our details and you have to register. So here I have given the details and I am clicked register. So the registration was successful. We have to use the username and password and log in into the process. So clicking login, so it will ask for the location access. So I have to click allow. So next I'm giving the tourist places. So these are some of the tourist places in Madurai. So here I have Meenakshi temple. So here I am going to select the Meenakshi temple. So it shows the detail about the temple. So information, timing and location. So by clicking information, it provides the basic information about the place. So this is the description about the Meenakshi temple. We can scroll it down and we can view. And this is the timing of the Meenakshi temple. And this is the location of the Meenakshi temple. So these are the details we can view about the places. So likewise, this is for the Vaigi Dam. So information, timing and location. So this is the description about the Vaigi Dam, and this is the information about the timings, and this is the location of the Vaigi Dam. So next, this is the weather status. So it shows the current weather status of the Madurai. So then comes the food facilities: native taste, multi-cuisine foods and fast food center. So first, native taste. So this is the hotel name and the hotel address. And next, this is for the multi-cuisine restaurant. And next for the fast food center. So these are the details comes under food facilities. And this is the page for the feedback. So here we have to give our feedback and give the rating via star, and we have to submit. And also we can view the reviews. So we have given the feedback, so we can view by clicking the view button. So next comes the process in Tamil language. So here the screen will shows the this is the login page. So it is in the Tamil language. So the user can register login as usual in the English. So this is the registration page in Tamil, and we have to give the details and register, and we have to log in using them. So this is the page which shows the latitude, longitude, that is the current page, and the tourist places and weather and the food facilities. So this is the tourist place details which are available both in Tamil and in English. So here I am clicking Tirumala Naikar. So information, timing and the places. So these are the information in Tamil language, and these are the timings, and this is the Google Map details. So then another place like that. Then comes the food facilities. So these are the three different kinds of food facilities, and this is first kind, and second this is the multi-cuisine restaurant, and this is the fast food centers. So the all informations are both available in Tamil and in English languages. So that's all about our process. Thank you.